So I've got the OnePlus 13, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to put the most used apps at the top of the app drawer list. So what you need to do is first go to the app drawer by swiping up, and of course by default, the apps are organized in alphabetical order. So what you need to do is tap on Manage, the top right corner, and then tap on Sort. So you can see currently it's set to sort by name. So you want to do, or you want to select sort by usage. And if you tap on that, the most used apps will always be at the top of the app drawer. Okay. So that's basically how to put the most used apps at the top of the app drawer on your OnePlus 13. So then you can get to settings easily, camera, Play Store, Chrome, your browser, whatever apps you use the most will always be at the top of the list. Okay. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.